Okay, people, we're here. This is day 3, I think. The beginning of day 3. I got my forms up, road base in, everything's ready to go. Compacted. There are a couple areas like I'm noticing near these screed guides, this one especially, that it's a little bit low. You can kind of see by that daylight underneath there. They need to be about, it's supposed to be 4 inches of concrete, and I know that that's probably, it's close. So I'll probably feather a little bit of gravel in there and run my compactor on it one more time. Get it all tied in. So, okay, we're digging this trampoline hole here, 18-foot diameter, and I just dug up a giant ant colony. I think they are, I'm not an ant guy, but I do know a little bit about ants, kind of. I think they are Formica ants. I don't know what that means, but as you can see here, there's a bazillion of them, and they have their little ant larvae. They're trying to move around, I don't know. They're kind of like, holy shit, what just happened? So that's kind of creepy. Anyway, you can see that white line is my 18-foot mark all the way around. So I'll just keep digging on it, see what we can get done here, see how many ants we can dig up. 3 feet deep, by the way. All right, we've got that trampoline hole dug here. So should be good. An approximate 3 feet deep. 18 and a half, 19 foot in diameter. Was supposed to be about 18, so it's a little bigger, but that's how it goes. Now I'm gonna grade off these piles of dirt here. Okay, we are gonna pour this little slab here, 16 by 32 feet 9 inches. I got everything set up. Floats, Fresnos, edgers, rakes, mags. Got some steel over there. I got a little steel in there to reinforce this section. Kind of funny. So I think it's about 7 yards. I think I'm not exactly sure. 6.5, 7 yards. 5.5 bag mix with 2-hour delay and fiber reinforcements. It's a rebar replacement, fiber reinforcement. So that little section with that little bit of steel over there will be the most structurally sound. So I got my screed demon, fiber screed over there, 12 foot, ready to go. Bucket with the broom, wheelbarrows. So we should be good to go. I'm going to do a time lapse here for this pour. I'll set up a separate camera, probably on one of these posts over here, just so I can kind of capture it. That should be cool. Got the boots over there. I think we're ready. I'm going to set this screed across this form board and that screed guide right there to see how it fits. Should be just right. Anyway, stay tuned.
I'm not gonna be able to record and do this.
Yeah, you don't have to keep doing that.
Keep doing what? This?
Yeah, you're pretty much good.
You sure?
One line, maybe there's...
I think I should do this side. Haven't reached.
Because that was still wet up there.
Oh yeah, this is like sticky.
Yeah, you're good. Don't swipe that far out.
Like out here?
Yeah. I'm going to make my way back, and then I'm going to be done with this. I'll set up the broom. Are you recording yourself?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm going to speak about what you're doing.
Craig, I don't want to do that.
What if we generate enough views to make money?
That would be awesome. Yes.
What if it was based on the sound of your voice?
Whatever. Looks great.
Listen, everybody, my wife's the cameraman right now, slash the day laborer. She's appeared in other videos, but she's never making conversation because she doesn't like the way her voice sounds on camera or on radio. So, but that's why she's not talking. She should be talking. You want to come leave your feet print all over in this? You're supposed to ride your bicycle through it. That's usually what happens. Yeah. Don't tell your dad.
I think I'm gonna go.
Finish that?
Yeah, this other side over here.
Okay.
Do a little.
Well, we're pretty much finished here. I think my time-lapse footage failed at some point, or the battery died or something, but I'm going to take off for lunch and come back and clean up my stuff. We just basically did an exterior broom finish. They're going to cover it in an epoxy seal coat for a pickleball court, so, or some sort of seal coat, I don't know. I will come back tomorrow and do some saw cut control joints, and that'll be a wrap. So, should be good. Anyway, all right, well, that's a wrap. Just strip the forms. Raked the dirt up against this side over here, kind of cleared some of the slobber off. I'll tidy the rest up tomorrow. I got a little bit more tractor work to do, but there's our edge. There is our broom finish. So, pretty handy. Time to give her a little blow job, fellers.